I'm going to show you how to set different notification sounds for different apps on your OnePlus 15. So go to settings, and then under settings, go to notifications and quick settings, tap on that, and then you can now scroll down to the list of apps on your OnePlus 15. So you can pick a specific app. For instance, let's pick Gmail. Now, first of all, make sure you have notifications allowed or enabled, because if they're not enabled, you won't be able to change anything. So make sure you have notifications turned on. And then now you can go down and make sure also ring is enabled, because with ring enabled, you can now go and choose the notification sound for different activities inside the Gmail app. Not only on the app, but also different activities within the app. So you have email, miscellaneous, attachments. You can have different sounds for all those. So let's go to mail, for instance. You can see for new mail, you have ring, and it's going to be on the default ringtone or notification tone. So you want to tap on that, and then you can now go to either the classic collection and pick a different ringtone, or you can go to the nature collection and pick a different ringtone for new mail. And also you can choose your own custom sound. If you have some custom sounds saved on your phone, you can go ahead and choose one of those. And then you can go back all the way to the list of apps and then choose a different app like Facebook, enable notifications, and then go and set notification sounds for different activities within the app. You can go also and do that for other apps like the home app, for instance. You can go make sure ring is enabled. First, make sure notifications are allowed, and then ring is enabled. And then you can now select specific items like camera notifications, for instance. You can go there and also set a specific ringtone for that. And that is basically how you can have different notifications for different apps and also different activities within the apps on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.